That's because they are living in an arid town and they have to capture water. They are not getting perennial water. There is no Ganga, there is no Kaveri, there is no Nile, nothing. Okay, so they have to constantly do this thing. So all their monuments are not pyramids or stadia like the Romans. It's not a great wall like China. We have walls, but there are no massive temples like Tanjavur in the south or all this thing. But water-related bodies. There are 17 reservoirs, different water capturing bodies in Dholavira alone. Dholavira is probably the largest water capturing kind of town among the Harappan towns. And this is one of them. This is one of these guys estimates, a guy called Posal, here estimates that any one of these probably took 10,000 laborers to build it and probably several years of construction. That requires tremendous logistical organization, a long settled civilization, an understanding of the hydraulics, an understanding of construction, an understanding of managing people, people being willing to this thing and having the economy to manage all that. So you have to do that and you have to sustain that. 17 reservoirs. Okay, 17 reservoirs for something that's like one suburb in any modern town. That why they had to do it, and you saw the dam thing, right? There were 3 of those. We saw only one of these that Nirav pointed out. There are 3 of those on that river. There's a map of this if you want to see it here.
What was the likely population, Gopu?
They think that this may have sustained up to 50,000 people. Okay. Dholavira may have sustained up to 50,000.
What was the need to do so many reservoirs?
Seasonal rivers.
Seasonal, extremely seasonal rivers. The same situation that you see with Adalaj and Rani Ki Vav. Why would you have a well like that when most of the wells that we see are 10 meters or 5 meters in diameter and they are just deep and circular?
So although the Indus Valley is, the Indus is there.
Because Adalaj and Rani Ki Vav and Modera are tanks for not for families or even small communities but for towns. They are massive.
Both rainfall and rivers were seasonal.
And evaporation is high. Okay, rainfall is almost non-existent. Gujarat is not a substantially agricultural state. But they have dug up a lot of waterways, canals. You'll see it. There is always some kind of waterway. You saw yesterday in Lothal how many channels that they did for sewage. Europe did not have that kind of sewage until the 1850s. India mostly today even doesn't have. Most parts of India don't have. Most parts of China don't have. Most of Asia, most of North America, all of this are getting it. And most people are still getting Dholavira quality, Lothal quality, Mohenjo-daro quality rivers. We don't have it. The Romans didn't have it. Rajaraja Solan didn't have it. We went to a different style of... this entire thing collapsed, remember. And the memory of all of this collapsed. Just like we don't have Ajanta quality paintings after Ajanta's period. Because the quality of that art dropped. The quality of the engineering knowledge also dropped. Suddenly there was a tremendous drop. If those of you know European history know that the Greeks did amazing things, the Romans did amazing things, then there are the dark ages for 500 to 600 years.